In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create arrow animations in CapCut PC step by step, so you can point out important details, guide your viewers' attention, and make your edits look a lot more professional. This is a really useful technique for tutorials, product videos, gaming videos, and anything else where you want to highlight something on screen clearly. If this video helps you out, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC. You can either create a brand new project or open an existing one if you already have a video you want to edit. Once CapCut is open, make sure your project is ready and your workspace is set up. Next, import your video into CapCut. You can do this by dragging the video file into the media area and then drag that video down onto the timeline. This is important because the arrow animation will need to sit on top of your video as an overlay, so having the clip on the timeline first makes the process much easier. Now that your video is on the timeline, go up to the top menu and click on Stickers. This is where CapCut keeps different visual elements that you can add to your project, including arrows, icons, and other shapes that are great for callouts. After clicking Stickers, look over to the left menu and click on Shapes. This will open the shape options, and from there you should see different graphics you can use in your edit. Find the arrow option and click the plus icon next to the arrow you want to add. That plus icon is what places the arrow into your project, so once you click it, the arrow will appear in your timeline or preview area ready for editing. After adding the arrow, select the arrow from the timeline. This step matters because you need the arrow clip selected before you can apply motion or animation effects to it. Once the arrow is selected, go over to the right panel and click Animation. This will open the animation controls for the arrow element. From here, you can choose the type of movement you want. Click the animation you need, whether that's a subtle entrance, a pop effect, a slide, or another style that fits your video. You can preview different animations until you find the one that looks best with your content. The goal is to make the arrow feel natural and helpful, not distracting. If your video is a tutorial, you might want a simple entrance animation. If you're pointing out something exciting, you might choose a more noticeable movement. Once you've picked the animation, play back the clip and check how it looks on screen. Make sure the arrow is timing correctly and that it clearly points to the part of the video you want your viewers to notice. If it feels too fast or too slow, you can always go back and adjust it until it looks right. And that's it. You now know how to create arrow animations in CapCut PC. It's a simple trick, but it can make a huge difference in how clear and professional your edits look. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.